Save the Girl Child, Womb to Tomb, which is Medscape India is doing, whether it is for the education, whether it's for the skill development, for the financial. So the investment which is required to build up the girl, which is the most...
I feel extremely honored to be the part of the 10th edition of the Medscape India Award and the 13th Save the Girl Child initiatives by Medscape India. Aryan Medical and Educational Trust spearheaded by Dr. Sunita Dubey. This session on My Daughter, My State
अभियान का हिस्सा बनकर सम्मानित महसूस कर रहा हूँ। मेड्सकेप कन्या भ्रूण हत्या को रोकने और इसके लिए जागरूकता फैलाने को लेकर 13 साल से भी ज़्यादा समय से काम कर रहा है। यह अवार्ड सेव द गर्ल चाइल्ड अभियान का समर्थन करने वाले नायकों, स्वास्थ्य सेवा क्षेत्र में काम करने वाले डॉक्टरों, संस्थानों और श्रेष्ठ व्यक्तियों द्वारा किए गए योगदान को पहचानने और सराहना करने का
माई डॉटर माई स्टेट का हिस्सा बनकर सम्मानित महसूस कर रहा हूँ, जिसकी शुरुआत डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे जी ने की थी। आप 18 वर्षों से अधिक समय से बालिकाओं का पोषण एवं उत्थान का कार्य निष्ठापूर्वक कर रही हैं। मैं डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को सभी प्रयासों के लिए बधाई देता हूँ। मेडस्केप इंडिया द्वारा सेव द गर्ल चाइल्ड प्रोजेक्ट
Save the Girl Child initiative by Medscape India. From the womb to tomb, saving the girl child to women empowerment.
Ricky, take the pledge to support the girl child from womb to tomb.
Congratulate the team for and also express my appreciation for taking up this whole issue of womb to tomb.
The womb to tomb has to be looked into from all aspects, which is a social one, which is to be a political one, which is to be also a legal part. And I would like to concentrate on what the legal fraternity or the judiciary has been, or the legislation in part as far as the law.
Ignoring the equality, I think we are ignoring reality. We are ignoring what is needed for progress and development. And if that continues, it is of course a thorn on the side of all of our country.
This entire movement, I would call it, Sunita Dubey ji, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very special privilege and honor to have been asked to speak today. I want to thank Sunita ji for making this possible and create India of our dreams and give it a position in the Committee of Nations, which I am convinced is right up. Thank you very much.
हमारी डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे और आज का ये कार्यक्रम जितने लोग जुड़े हैं सब इसी भाव से जुड़े हैं कि नारी का सम्मान बना रहे, नारी को आगे लाना है, उसे शिक्षा देनी है, उसे पढ़ाना है, आगे बढ़ाना है। इस भाव से आइए हम भी संकल्प करें तो शक्ति बढ़ेगी, तो भारत आगे बढ़ेगा। भारत माता की जय।
To congratulate Medscape and the entire team led by Sunita Dubey ji, a passionate and a very capable leader, especially for the social work and particularly for all the social work related to the healthcare, Save the Girl Child, women empowerment. I'm witness to the level of help and support which Medscape had given in the pandemic by providing tele-ICU facility for all the remote districts wherein there was dearth of specialist doctors.
इस सारे कार्यक्रम की संयोजक प्राण आधारशिला डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे जी और सभी उपस्थित सुन रहे मेरे श्रोतागण,
Saraswati, for gracing the occasion of the 13th year of Save the Child program and the 10th Medscape India National Awards with your presence. We are highly indebted to your support towards saving the girl child, women's health and empowerment, causes which Medscape India Aryan Medical Trust has been relentlessly working on for the last 18 years.
Medscape India has been doing tremendous work in saving girl child, in saving and caring the health of people in the remote corner of our country. We all have to think of a stress-free and violence-free society. You know, health is not just only physical, it's mental, emotional, behavioral and spiritual. I once again congratulate Medscape India and Dr. Sunita Dubey for taking this huge responsibility.
I would like to thank Dr. Sunita Dubey and Medscape India for this prestigious award.
Medscape India. What a powerful theme. Save the girl child and save the universe. 75 years of freedom and future of girl child. I personally pledge to do everything in my power to save the girl child from womb to tomb. I commend Dr. Sunita Dubey, Team Medscape India, and frontline workers who are associated with this campaign. Dr. Dubey, you are brilliantly leading efforts to revolutionize the healthcare sector, and your missions always seem to focus where the needs are, on empowering women.
We need to empower women more than ever before.
Congratulations to Dr. Dubey and her team, and of course Medscape India for all their consistent hard work with this campaign. Of course, we can't go without thanking the frontline workers. Keep up the great work, and once again, I'm truly honoured. Thank you very much.
Be gracious enough to accept this. And I would take a pledge that I take a pledge to save the girl child from womb to the tomb. Thank you.
That we are the doctors and we are with you. हम तुम्हारे साथ.
To the team of Medscape India, to Dr. Sunita Dubey, to the frontline workers associated with your amazing program, Save the Girl Child, congratulations on the work you do. It's fantastic. You're changing people's lives for the better and giving kids opportunities.
जिसकी वजह से मेरी दुनिया चलती है. सच कहूं तो दुनिया बेटियों की वजह से ही चलती है. बेटियां चिराग है जिसे ये दुनिया रोशन है.